Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The number of persons of employable age in Jamaica has increased as at July. The labor force includes both employed and unemployed persons. Director General of STATIN, Carol Coy, says there were 1.377 million people in the labor force.
Or 65.6% of Jamaicans 14 years or older. Compared to July 2022, this was an increase of 19,600 persons. The number of males in the labor force was 734,400, with a male labor force participation rate of 71.2%. Compared to the same quarter in 2022, an additional 8,400 males entered the labor force. On the other hand, compared to July 2022, 11,200 additional females entered the labor force.
624,900 women are in the labor force with a participation rate of 60.1%. Meanwhile, 1.315 million people were employed at the end of July.
And this was 47,100 more persons than in July 2022. Relative to the increase in the size of the labor force, most persons who gained employment were previously unemployed. Females accounted for 54.6% of the increase in employed persons. The number of employed females increased by 25,700 to 605,200, while the number of employed males increased by 21,400 to 709,900.
The Jamaican dollar gained 68 cents after the Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign currency market for a second day in a row. The central bank pumped $30 million via a flash sale, bringing to $70 million the value of the two-day intervention. At the close of Thursday's session, the greenback is selling for an average $155.62, coming from $156.34 on Wednesday. The Canadian dollar is going for $118.14. $191.66 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $167.83 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 2,955 points today, while the junior market increased by 5 points. The 43 winners were led by T-Tech, Edufocal, CAC 2000, Salada Foods, and MPC Carbon Clean Energy. The 37 losers include First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Jamaican Teas, Blue Power Group, MFS Capital Partners, and ISP Finance Services. 26 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading Thursday morning. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.